Imagine a universe where Earth never collided with Theia, a Mars-sized object, 4.5 billion years ago. Would life as we know it even exist? It's a bold question, but one that scientists are now answering with surprising clarity. New research reveals that Earth's basic chemical makeup was locked in within just 3 million years of the solar system's birth. A blink of an eye in cosmic terms. But here's where it gets controversial. Those early ingredients were severely lacking in the essentials for life, like water and carbon-bearing compounds. So how did life eventually thrive? The answer might lie in a dramatic cosmic collision. And this is the part most people miss. Earth's early formation was remarkably fast, but it left the planet dry and barren. Scientists at the University of Bern's Institute of Geological Sciences used a high-precision stopwatch based on the radioactive decay of manganese-53 to pinpoint this timeline. This isotope, with a half-life of 3.8 million years, provided razor-sharp accuracy, showing that Earth's fundamental composition was set within 3 million years of the solar system's formation. But the real game-changer came later, likely from Theia. Believed to have originated in a colder, volatile-rich region of the solar system, could have delivered the water and organic compounds Earth desperately needed. This collision not only formed the Moon, but also transformed Earth's surface environment, making it habitable. Without this event, Earth might have remained a lifeless, rocky world, even within the Sun's habitable zone. But here's the kicker. This scenario isn't just a theory. It's backed by isotope data from ancient meteorites and Earth rocks, which act as time capsules from our planet's early days. This discovery reframes how we think about habitability. It's not just about a planet's distance from its star. It's about the timing and source of its volatile elements. Two planets in similar orbits could have vastly different fates depending on whether they receive a late infusion of water. This raises a thought-provoking question. Could there be other Earth-like planets out there that miss their cosmic delivery, forever trapped in a dry, lifeless state? As scientists continue to model the collision between Earth and Theia, they're not just unraveling our planet's past, they're charting a course for understanding life's origins across the universe. So, the next time you look up at the moon, remember, it's not just a celestial body. It's a reminder of the cosmic collision that made life on Earth possible. What do you think? Is Theia the unsung hero of our planet's story, or is there more to the tale? Share your thoughts in the comments.